doctors' biggest concerns for patients?
Absolutely, Anna. Good morning. There's going to be a few. We know many will go without insurance. They're just going to make the decision because of these doubling or more than doubling in their premiums that they will just not go sign up for insurance. Uh, we also know that many will shift to high deductible health plans and become underinsured, meaning that their annual deductible has to be met, in some cases, thousands of dollars before insurance really kicks in. For your viewers out there, if you spend more than 5%, if your deductible is more than 5% of your annual income, that is considered underinsured. From a clinical standpoint, what does that actually mean for patients? That means more patients coming in, skipping their insulin if they're diabetic in diabetic crisis. We're entering cold and flu season, Anna. This is not the time to have a delayed diagnosis of flu. We already know about 20 to 30% of the country ends up getting delayed diagnosis of flu, and you need that Tamiflu within the first 48 to 72 hours to be most effective. So I worry about delayed diagnosis, delayed treatment, but then that shift from either to loss of insurance or to underinsurance and what that means about what people will skip.
So, Natasha, I know your organization has been speaking to people who are already struggling to make ends meet right now. What are you hearing from folks about healthcare costs? Just how crucial are these subsidies?
We're hearing families telling us that they're going to have to start making tough decisions between paying their rent or paying for healthcare coverage. I mean, as it was just pointed out, with those premiums set to double, triple, in some cases quadruple, that's not affordable for most families. It's really unfair. It's an unfair position to put them in.
Dr. Gupta, President Trump floated this idea over the weekend of sending money currently going to insurance companies directly to individuals who are buying health insurance instead. What do you think of that idea? Is that solution a realistic one at all?
It isn't, because ultimately there's only the pot of money that people will actually see from a family standpoint is still pretty small relative to their potential needs. So we worry about catastrophic healthcare insurance. Something unfortunate happens or unexpected, that's not going to be even close to covering what somebody will need to cover an ER visit, ambulance if they, God forbid, they needed that, or an inpatient stay. So it's something that might seem like it's actually useful, but when you think about how much healthcare costs, especially inpatient healthcare costs, that doesn't begin to address that issue.
It still feels like these subsidies are really just a Band-Aid.